Three.
Hi, this is Abid. Welcome to our YouTube channel GMAT and GRE Instructor. In our today's video, we'll talk about a very important topic of GMAT, which is how can you find out the hidden clues while you are just solving the problems in GMAT exam. Now, I can give you an example to make it easier for you. But before that, let me tell you, business, we all know that business is all about leveraging assets. So if we can find out the assets which is given to the question or the problem solving sections of GMAT, that may help us as a clue to find out the real answer. So I'm just trying to tell you that find out the assets which are given on real question in the exam. So it is undoubtedly true that the answer choices are perhaps the most overlooked assets in GMAT. Now, sometimes if you look down to the answers first before you start solving the question, may help you to rise your GMAT score in the exam. Now let me give you an example to make it much more easier for you so that you can apply in the exam hall. Here we have a problem. What is the square root of 2209? So we have 5 answers here and we are considering the answers are the assets. Now just use your basic sense and the general logic to find out the answer in the quickest possible way and in the right way, so that you can answer the question correctly. Now here look at the question, look at the answer choice B. Here it is 41. Now the square of the last digit must be the same of the last digit of this question. Now if we square 1, we find 1, so it is not 9. So that's why we can say that the square of 41 or the square root of 2209 is not 41. So this is the way by which we can eliminate answer choice B. Now look at answer choice C. So here if we apply the same strategy, 5 square is equal to 25, which is again not the same of the question. Now then also in this way we can eliminate the answer choice C. Now we have 3 answer choices that gives the same value, which is 9. For example, 7 square equal to 49 and 3 square equal to 9 and again 7 square equal to 49. So the answer must be within these 3, A, D and E. Now what is the answer? Now we can again use our common sense to find out the answer. So look at the question, look at the answer A, answer choice A, which is 37, and the answer choice D is 47. So we can just use our common sense and we can say that here lies a number which is easy to square, that is 40, because between the range of 37 and 47 there is 40. Now if we square 40, it is easy because this is 1600. Now 1600 is much less than 2209. So that's why you can say the square of 37 is much more less than the square than 2209. So it must not be the answer. So the answer must be D or E. Now again we can apply the same logic that there is a common range between the range of 47 to 53. There is a common number which is 50. Now if we square 50, then we get 2500. Now 2500 is much more than 2209. So that's why it must be less than 50. So 53, you can just eliminate 53. So the answer which is left is 47. So it must be the answer. You don't need to square 47 to find out whether it is 2209. Since we have eliminated all the answer choices except D, so D must be the answer. So this is called an elimination process. So I'll just tell you before you start doing the problem solving, you must look down to the answers, because it may help you to find the answer in the quickest way, and that can save you time and that can give you the right answer. So I'll tell you, go through this elimination process and look down, because it will help you. So thank you very much, and if you have any question regarding GMAT, please put it in our comment section. We will try to give you the best answer. Thank you. See you again.